Are you in the club? Hey! Do you know who this character is? That's right, it's Elmo. Let's spell Elmo. E-L-M-O. Hey guys, welcome back for another episode. Today I'm going to show you a really cute toy called Elmo's On-the-Go Letters. One of the things that I love most about this is that the letters snap into place so that they don't fall out. I also really like that underneath each letter is a character or an object that starts with the letter. So this is the letter S, and behind the S we have one of my favorites. It's Snuffleupagus. See how cute that is? I also really like this tray, which is great for spelling words. D-O-G. Who knows what that spells? Did you guess dog? D-O-G spells dog. Sometimes you leave me comments and ask me how I spell my name. So I'll show you now. A-M-Y-J-O. A-M-Y-J-O spells Amy Jo. Let's talk about the letter A a little bit more. What else starts with the letter A? My name starts with the letter A. My name also starts with the letter A. That's right, Ariel and Anna both start with the letter A. And now we can make something out of Play-Doh that starts with the letter A. Have you guessed yet? It's something red, and it grows on a tree, and you can eat it. Did you guess that I was making an apple? A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Do you know what letter this is? This is a B. And here are some things that start with the letter B. Bert, bear.
Batman starts with the letter B.
Baby and boy all start with the letter B. Don't forget about me. Barbie starts with the letter B. Do you know what else starts with the letter B? Bus. B-U-S. B-I-R-D. Bird. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Car. Cart. And cat all start with the letter C. This is the letter C. C is for Cookie Monster.
Nom 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 nom. Me want cookies.
Cookie also starts with the letter C. Let's make Cookie Monster some Play-Doh cookies. I'm adding some chocolate chips to our cookies. Chocolate, chip, and cookie all start with the letter C. You know what else starts with the letter C? Circle. Our cookies are shaped like a circle. And let's not forget about Cinderella. Cinderella starts with the letter C. This is the letter D. Here are some words that start with the letter D. Dog, daisy, doll, dump truck, drum, donkey. Doc starts with the letter D. I'm thinking of something that starts with the letter D that is delicious to eat. Can you guess what it is? Did you guess that I was making a donut? If you did, then you are right. I'm adding some chocolate frosting to the top. This is my Play-Doh donut. Donut starts with the letter D. Dinosaur and duck also start with the letter D. I hope you enjoyed learning some letters with me. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching.